So we are looking ahead to 2026, and in this explainer, we are breaking down 5 AI-powered side hustles. And listen, these aren't just random ideas. These are actual methods that people in the USA are using to earn real money, like right now. Let's get into how you can get started too.
But first, let me just ask you something. What if you could bring in an extra $100, $200, even $500 every single day just by using a few simple AI tools? I know it sounds like a huge claim, but honestly, it's way more achievable than you might think.
And that number, it's not hypothetical. Real people are hitting these figures, 100, 200, up to $500 every single day. I mean, that's the kind of income that can seriously change things for you. But here's the best part, the part that gets me really excited. You're probably thinking you need some fancy degree or years of tech experience to do this, right? Wrong. The reality is most of the people who are succeeding with these methods, they're starting out as total beginners. All right, let's dive right into our first hustle. We're talking about an AI thumbnail business. And this one taps directly into the massive, and I mean massive, world of online content creation. The model here is just incredibly simple. Every single YouTuber, big or small, needs eye-catching thumbnails to get people to click. So your job is to give them what they need. You can use super accessible tools like Canva for the design and Midjourney to create some really unique AI art. And for that, you can charge anywhere from $5 to $20 for a single image. Just think about that for a second. A few of those a day, and you're already making some decent money. And getting started is as easy as 1, 2, 3. Seriously. First, just take a little time to learn the basics of good design. You know, what colors pop, which fonts grab attention. Second, build a small portfolio to show off what you can do. Just 5 to 10 great examples is all you need. And finally, you list your service on platforms like Fiverr or Upwork, which is literally where your clients are already hanging out and looking for help. Okay, next up is a hustle that's all about building a source of passive income. We all love passive income, right? This one is all about AI blog writing. The whole idea is pretty straightforward. You use AI assistants like ChatGPT to help you generate high-quality articles and blog posts for a website. Now, the key here isn't to just let AI do everything. It's about using it as a super-powered tool to create amazing content way, way faster than you could on your own. So where does the actual money come from? Well, it's a pretty powerful 1-2 punch. About half of the revenue comes from simple display ads that run on your site. But the other huge piece of the pie is affiliate marketing, where you earn commissions just by recommending products inside your articles. You know, the secret to success with this isn't being some kind of literary genius. It really just boils down to 2 simple things. Pick a niche you're actually interested in, and then commit to posting new content consistently. That's it. That's how you build an audience and start earning. Okay, this next one is a total game changer, especially for anyone who's a little camera shy but still wants to tap into the incredible power of YouTube. We're talking about faceless YouTube channels. I mean, think about traditional YouTubing, right? You've got to buy lights, cameras, and you have to be the star of the show. Well, the faceless model just flips that whole idea on its head. Instead, you create these really compelling videos using stock footage, cool animations, and AI-generated voiceovers. You can build a massive channel without your face ever appearing on screen. It's amazing. And the tools that let you do this are just incredible. Something like Pictory can literally turn a written script into a full video with just a few clicks. CapCut is a super powerful and free editor. And once you build that audience, you unlock so many income streams, ad revenue, affiliate links, and even big brand sponsorships. All right, our 4th hustle takes one key, super high demand service that pretty much every content creator needs. We're talking about AI voiceovers. So who exactly needs this? Well, the demand is huge. You've got all those YouTubers building faceless channels, you have businesses that need voiceovers for their advertisements, and you even have online course creators who need that crystal clear narration for their lessons. The market is wide open. And the business model itself is just beautifully simple. A client sends you a script, you pop it into an AI tool and generate a perfect human-like voiceover. You send them the audio file and you get paid. It's a fast, clean transaction where you're providing a ton of value. And for our final hustle, we're looking at a professional service with an incredibly high perceived value, especially in the competitive US job market. And that is AI-powered resumes.
Now, to really get this hustle, you have to understand the US job market. A single, perfectly polished resume can literally be the difference between getting an interview for a six-figure job or your application getting tossed in the trash. And that's exactly why people are willing to pay top dollar to get it done right.
Here's how it works. You offer to create professional resumes and cover letters. The AI becomes your expert assistant, helping you craft these perfectly tailored documents that can beat those automated screening systems. And your marketplace? Well, freelance platforms are absolutely filled with professionals looking for exactly this kind of edge. So there you have it, 5 incredibly powerful AI side hustles for 2026. You've got thumbnail design, AI blogging, faceless YouTube channels, voiceover services, and resume writing. Every single one of these is a real, viable path to building a brand new income stream. So now the question is for you. Out of these 5 big opportunities, which one really sparks your interest the most? Let me know down in the comments which one you'd like to see a full step-by-step tutorial on. The opportunity is definitely here. Now it's just time to choose your path.